Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Great to see you again.
This is English conversation practice for beginners. Today, you'll learn how to talk about your daily routine in simple, natural English.
Yes, after this video, you'll be able to tell someone what you do every day, from morning until night.
This is super useful because people always ask, "What do you do every day?" Or, "What's your daily routine?"
Right. At work, with friends, even in English classes, everyone wants to know about your day.
So stick with us. We'll practice together, step by step.
Hey, before we start, if you're learning English and you want more easy practice like this,
Please hit that subscribe button. It really helps us make more videos for you.
and if you like today's lesson, give us a thumbs up. It tells us you want more conversations like this.
You can also share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Okay, let's start practicing.
So, Mike, why is it important to talk about your daily routine?
Well, it's one of the first things people want to know about you. When you meet someone new, they might ask, "What do you do in the morning?" Or, "What time do you go to work?"
Exactly. And it's not difficult. You just need simple words and simple sentences.
Right. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to practice a little bit.
And that's what we're doing today. We'll talk about our routines, and you can learn from listening.
Then, at the end, you can practice in the comments.
Okay, Mike, let's start with the morning. What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
Oh, that's early.
Yeah, I'm a morning person. What about you, Sarah?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I'm not a morning person.
Ha, so you like to sleep more?
Yes, I love sleeping. Okay, so after you wake up, what do you do first?
First, I get out of bed. Then I brush my teeth.
Me too. I always brush my teeth first.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I do. I take a shower every morning. It wakes me up.
That's good. I also take a shower. After that, I get dressed.
Same here. I get dressed, then I go to the kitchen.
For breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is very important for me. What do you eat for breakfast, Mike?
I usually eat toast and eggs, and I drink coffee.
Ah, coffee. I need coffee too. I can't start my day without coffee.
Me neither. Coffee is life.
So let me repeat that. You can say, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast.
Yes, simple sentences. You don't need to say more than that.
And you can add, I drink coffee or I drink tea.
Perfect. Now everyone, try to say your morning routine out loud. Practice with us.
Mike, do you make your own breakfast or does someone make it for you?
I make my own breakfast. I'm not a good cook, but I can make simple things. Toast, eggs, cereal.
That's good. I also make my own breakfast. Sometimes I eat yogurt with fruit.
Oh, that sounds healthy.
Yeah, I try to eat healthy in the morning. What about coffee? Do you make coffee at home?
Yes, I have a coffee machine. It's very easy. Just push a button.
Lucky. I just use instant coffee.
Instant coffee is fast. That's good for busy mornings.
Exactly. Okay, so everyone, you can say, I make my own breakfast. Or you can say, I drink coffee at home.
And if someone asks, what do you eat? You can say, I eat toast, or I eat cereal, or I eat yogurt.
Simple. Don't worry about long sentences. Short is better.
Sarah, after breakfast, what do you do next?
I get ready to leave my house. I check my bag. Phone, wallet, keys.
Oh, yes, that's important. I always check my phone and keys.
Me too. I forget things sometimes, so I always check.
What time do you leave your house?
I usually leave at 8 o'clock. What about you?
I leave at 7:30. I need to catch the bus.
Oh, you take the bus to work?
Yes, I take the bus every day. Do you drive?
No, I don't drive. I also take the bus.
Nice. So we're the same. How long is your bus ride?
About 20 minutes. What about you?
Mine is 30 minutes. It's not bad. I listen to music or check my phone.
Me too. I love listening to music on the bus.
Okay, everyone. You can say, I leave my house at 8 o'clock. Or, I take the bus to work. Or, I drive to work.
And you can say, my bus ride is 20 minutes. Or, my commute is 30 minutes.
Commute means the trip from home to work. It's a useful word.
Let me give you some examples. If someone asks, how do you go to work? You can say,
I take the bus.
I take the train.
I drive my car.
I walk.
Or even, I ride my bike.
Yes, all of these are good answers. You don't need to say more, just one simple sentence.
And if they ask, what time do you leave? You can say,
I leave at 7 o'clock. Or, I leave at 8:30.
easy, right? Stay with us. We'll practice more at the end.
Mike, what time do you arrive at work?
I usually arrive at 8 o'clock. My work starts at 8:30.
Oh, so you have time before work starts?
Yes, I like to arrive early. I get coffee and check my emails.
That's smart. I arrive at work at 8:30 and I start working right away.
What do you do at work, Sarah?
I work in an office. I use a computer all day. What about you?
Same. I also work in an office. I have meetings and I answer emails.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It's interesting, but sometimes it's stressful. What about you?
I like my job too, but yes, sometimes it's stressful.
That's normal. Everyone feels that way sometimes.
True. So, everyone, you can say, I work in an office, or I work in a store, or I work at a restaurant.
And you can say, my work starts at 9 o'clock, or I work from 8 to 5.
Good. What about lunch, Mike? What time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 12:30. I have a 30-minute break.
Me too. I also have 30 minutes. Do you bring lunch from home?
Sometimes, but usually I buy lunch near my office.
I bring lunch from home. It's cheaper.
That's true. You save money.
Okay, so after work, what do you do, Mike?
I finish work at 5 o'clock. Then I take the bus home.
What time do you arrive home?
Around 5:45 or 6 o'clock. What about you?
I get home at 6:30. Then I'm very tired.
Me too. What do you do when you get home?
First, I change my clothes. I put on comfortable clothes.
Yes, I do that too. Work clothes are not comfortable.
Exactly. Then I relax a little bit. Maybe I watch TV or check my phone.
Same. I like to relax after work. Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook dinner. What about you?
I also cook. Nothing fancy, just simple food. Pasta, chicken, vegetables.
That sounds good. I like cooking, but sometimes I'm too tired.
I understand. Sometimes I order food.
Me too. Okay, everyone, you can say, I get home at 6 o'clock, or I change my clothes, or I cook dinner.
And you can say, I relax, or I watch TV, or I listen to music.
What time do you eat dinner, Mike?
Around 7 or 7:30. You?
Same, around 7 o'clock.
Sarah, after dinner, what do you do?
I wash the dishes. Then I spend time with my family or I call my friends.
That's nice. I also talk to my family, or sometimes I read a book.
Oh, you like reading?
Yes, I read before bed. It helps me relax.
That's good. I usually watch videos on my phone.
Everyone does that nowadays.
True. What time do you go to bed?
I try to go to bed at 10:30 or 11 o'clock. What about you?
I go to bed at 11 o'clock, but sometimes later.
Same. Sometimes I stay up too late.
Okay, so you can say, after dinner, I wash the dishes, or I watch TV, or I read a book.
And you can say, I go to bed at 10 o'clock, or I go to sleep at 11.
Go to bed and go to sleep mean the same thing.
Yes, both are correct.
Okay, everyone, let me give you some tips. When someone asks about your routine, you don't need to say everything.
Right. Just say the important parts. For example, I wake up at 7, I go to work at 8, I get home at 6, I go to bed at 11.
Perfect. That's enough. Short and simple.
And if someone asks more questions, then you can give more details.
Exactly. Also, you can use usually or sometimes to make your sentences more natural.
For example, I usually eat breakfast at 7 o'clock. Or, I sometimes work from home.
Yes, those little words make you sound more natural.
And remember, everyone's routine is different. There's no right or wrong answer.
True. Just talk about your day, your routine.
Okay, let's do a quick review. Today we talked about daily routines.
We practiced morning routines, waking up, brushing teeth, eating breakfast.
We talked about going to work, taking the bus, arriving at work.
We talked about evening routines, getting home, cooking dinner, relaxing.
And we talked about nighttime, going to bed.
All simple, useful English.
Now it's your turn. We want to hear about your daily routine.
Yes, please write in the comments. Tell us, what time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast?
You can write something simple like, I wake up at 7. I eat toast for breakfast.
Or, I take the bus to work. I get home at 6.
Don't be shy. Writing in English is great practice.
And we read all the comments. We love hearing from you.
So go ahead, write your routine in the comments right now.
Thank you so much for watching today's video.
We hope this helps you talk about your daily routine with confidence.
Remember, English doesn't have to be perfect. Just practice a little bit every day.
That's right. And speaking of practice, tomorrow we have a new video for you.
It's called English at the Coffee Shop. Easy conversations you'll actually use.
You'll learn how to order coffee, talk to the barista, and sound natural.
So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it.
All right, everyone. Take care.
Keep practicing and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye.